What up, it's your boy Magneto, aka your money's mine, aka my money's mine, what up? Keep watching Adexi TV.
It's Japa Day. Today is Japa Day. We understand what Japa means, but my people that don't understand, if you're not Nigerian, it means getting out of Nigeria. We are running out of the country. We move out of Nigeria.
We move.
That's my auntie.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
And that's my mom. So, you don't know what it is. We're just getting full right now. I'm about to eat what my mom made us before leaving the house. This is mommy. Say hi. Hi.
Crash. Oh Lily. Oh Lily. Nashi. She's laughing at herself. Laugh at herself.
Say hi. Say hi. Guys, say hi.
Hi.
Go back. What are you doing?
I cannot dance now.
Better milkshake, nice.
Don't spoil my video with your accent, please. I'm trying to speak in it here.
Are you sick?
And you are bringing your
Are you serious right now? Are you joking?
You're right, mate.
Are you alright? Are you alright, mate?
Okay. Guys, say hi quickly. Say hi. So this is Laura. Say hi. Kelvin, hi. What about Priscilla? Say hi. How not to break our neck. Say hi to the ambassador of Lido. Let's go. Hello. Hey. Bend down. Hey, go low. That's what we did do.
You don't see happen for that way. If you see as the guy gonna ask me out. You gonna say like, me for people. Now so they go get. Say what?
Oh goodness.
Hey young world, I'm the new slick. We can say I move too quick, but we can let this moment pass. Let the hourglass pass right into ashes. Let the wind blow the ash right before my glasses. No, I wrote this long letter right before my glasses. What about this? 4, 5, OMG, you look me the bad bitch. OMG, baby, this is tragic. Cause we had it, and we were magic. I was flying, now I'm crashing. This is bad, real bad. Now I'm mad, real mad. Don't just say this should be your boyfriend. Now I'ma ask him.
Aww, baby. Okay, say hi. My charging, I don't know anybody. Please leave it.
My baby boo. Take this as I show you how much you're meant to me, my baby boy. Mi amo español. I love you so much, my baby. You are so pretty like the sunshine. Though the sun doesn't used to shine anymore, yeah.
By the word. That he might present it to himself a glorious church, not having spot or wrinkle or any such thing, but that it should be holy and without any blemish.
Move like a speed race. Oh, you guys are so pretty.
Wait, though! I'll do it.
See, I. Is it winking or what was it doing? See you. My baby has slept. She said, I'm not ready for all this shopping. When you guys are done, let me know.